Hey yo, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make this really cool effect that I'm calling tube letters. Basically it's not just for letters but any type of path, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. It's really cool. Right, we're starting off as usual with our ellipse tool, and so let's make a circle. And then click on this little arrow guy to swap the fill and the stroke, because we don't want it to have any fill color. Just want the stroke. You can make it whatever color you prefer. I'm gonna go with black for now. You want to duplicate this, so hold down the Alt key, click and drag to make a copy of it. Select both, and we're gonna go back to the blend tool. So we're gonna go to Object, Blend, Make. Double click over here on the blend tool to bring up the blend options. Select specified steps. We're gonna add a bunch of those. We'll bring this up here and make a duplicate of it, just in case. Now grab your pen tool or your brush tool, whichever tool you prefer. It makes no difference. And we're gonna make, let's say I wanna make the letter A. So let's make our A. And we'll make kind of like a cool A like this. Right? We're gonna then select our tube letters, make them smaller because these are too wide. Right, this looks cool now. We're gonna select our path and our blend, and we're going to go to Object, Blend, Replace Spine. You get this really cool tube letter effect. If you want to edit the number of circles, if you want to make them less or more, you just double click on the blend tool again and you can add more circles. And there you go. This looks even cooler. You can actually also change the color of your circles by just clicking on them. Let's say I want to make white. Just click on them and change color. And then we'll make our background black. I think just anything on a black background just looks way cooler, and I have no idea why. Right click, arrange, send to back, and there you go. Pretty cool, right? You can make this, doesn't have to be with letters, you can make any path you want, and it'll work the same way. Really cool. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Also comment what you'd like to see next. Follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, where I post shorter versions of these same tutorials. Be sure to check my website out, where I have some prints available and these really cool hats and some other clothing items. I'll see you tomorrow.